Welcome to our second practical session on our meditation course. Today, we go a little bit deeper into the nature of the thought. So if you watched the video before, you know the nature of the thought and how the thought can take into a snowball effect and drain your energy. So today we do these breathing exercises which are going to help you counter these thoughts. The first one, my friends, we do is alternate nostril breathing again to balance your energies. And second one, we go into Bhramari Pranayama or humming bee breath. And the last one, we're going to train the body to sit in 4 minutes of silence meditation. So let's come on to sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. Keep your spine straight, chin parallel, and we start with alternate nostril breathing to balance your nadis, to balance your energy channels. Bring the thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 8. Exhale right. 8, 7, 6. Hold again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 4. Hold 8. Exhale left 8. Hold 4. Inhale left 4. Hold 8. Exhale right 8. Hold 4. Inhale right 6. Hold 10. Exhale left 10. Hold 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 10. Exhale right 10. Hold 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left 12. Hold 6. Inhale left 8. Hold 12. And slow exhale right. And slowly come to sit in meditation. We're going to sit in Chin Mudra. Bring the thumb and index finger together, palms facing up, keeping your spine straight, and close your eyes. Amazing, my friends. Now we come into Bhramari Pranayama, the humming bee breath. What yoga is for your body, Bhramari Pranayama is for your mind. So for humming bee breath, we come into 7-door closing mudra. So bring your thumb to push the protruding part of the ear. Cover the eyes with 2 fingers, the bridge of the nose with the 3rd finger, and lightly position your pinky finger. And after engaging in this mudra, you're going to take a long, deep breath. And on exhale, you're going to create the humming sound. So let's do 6 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. Let's begin. Inhale fully. And slowly close your eyes and sit in meditation in silence. This meditation will extend to 4 minutes. See if you can simply be aware of your breath. And each time you have a thought and you catch yourself, bring awareness back on the breath. Amazing job, my friends. Now slowly start to bring awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes. Bring awareness to the natural flow of your breath in and out. And we'll end this practice with 3 rounds of Om. So taking a long breath in, bringing your palms to your chest. Namaste. Inhale. Amazing, my friends. So this was our second practice video on our meditation course. If you're looking to practice longer and dive deeper into meditation, consider signing up for our holistic membership on our website. There, you'll find our practice meditation videos and get access to our comprehensive breathwork and meditation courses. If you want to track your progress, you can download a daily meditation journal from our course materials. Just click in the link in the description below. I hope you're getting a lot of value from this and you can take all this knowledge into your daily life. In the next video, we'll go a little bit deeper into thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. So we'll see you in the next video.